really quick, simple upgrade is these LED headlights. So we're going to show you how to do that install. Quick plug and play. All you need is these two tools, a T15 Torx. You can either use a ratchet or the screwdriver type, and then a flathead screwdriver to remove the grill. So let's get to it. So to remove the grill, you'll have to open up the hood, remove the latches. My engine's a little hot from playing in the mud today. So there's these. You want to carefully remove these little rivets by lifting up the tab first with your flathead screwdriver, and there's 6 of them across the top here. You want to make sure you put those in a safe, secure place so you don't lose them, because you'll need them to put the grill back on when you're done. I just put them in my pocket. So to remove the grill, everything just kind of clicks in and out. So you pull here, here. You can choose to unhook your parking lights if you'd like. I don't think it's necessary. I just want to have access to the T15s right here that hold in the light bezel. So as you can see, I used to have some LEDs in here already, but they became dim after a couple of months. So we're going to replace them with these BESURE lights. So there are 4 of these bolts, 18 bolts on each side, and that just holds in this metal bezel. It's best to loosen them but not take them off quite yet. So I loosen all 4.
That's good.
So here is our wiring harness right here. And you're going to want to unhook this by pressing upward. And that will release the wires. So when you get out the new lights, you're going to have your H4 to H13 adapter. And this is going to be plug and play. It should fit snug, it should not be loose. You're going to plug it right back into that same wiring harness. This one's a little spongy feeling, so I'm going to hold it in while I clip this down. And that will hold that in. So if you actually want the halos and turn signal function to operate, you're going to need these 2 wires. On the underside, you'll actually see right here that you have to unhook this. So it's another one of those buttons. And that will release the wiring harness here.